Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Aero Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Aero Finance is a single chain over collateralized CDP protocol deployed natively on Robinhood chain. The Arbitrum Orbit L2 built for tokenized real-world assets. Users deposit approved collateral into a vault and mint a USD dominated over collateralized stablecoin against it. What make Aero Finance distinct from a typical crypto CDP is the collateral set. Alongside major crypto and stablecoin collateral, Aero Finance is the first CDP to accept tokenized public equities and ETFs as collateral, settled natively on Robinhood chain. A holder of tokenized share can borrow liquidity against a position without triggering a taxable sale and without leaving the chain their shares already live on. Every vault is independently collateralized, independently liquidated, and independently priced. Solvency rests entirely on real over collateralized positions. So the system stands on its own economics from day one and scales cleanly as demand grows. Aero Finance token total supplies 10 million and circulating supplies around 9 million Aero token. Aero token is listed on Uniswap V2, V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.